Hello students, today we are going to discuss about chemical equation. Our today's topic is chemical equation. So first of all, the question is, what is chemical equation? A chemical equation is a symbolic notation that uses formula instead of words to represent a chemical reaction. I mean to say that let's take an example to understand what is chemical equation. Actually, a chemical equation represents a chemical reaction. When a magnesium ribbon burned in oxygen, it gets converted to magnesium oxide. Here it is written in the form of word equation. I mean to say that the reaction is magnesium ribbon is burnt in oxygen and converted to magnesium oxide. But we write this magnesium plus oxygen formed magnesium oxide. This form is called word equation. And this is the symbolic notation of this word equation, that is magnesium Mg, oxygen O2 and magnesium oxide is MgO. The substance that undergo chemical change in the reaction are called reactants and written on the left hand side. And the new substance formed during the reaction is the product and written on the right hand side. You have studied in your previous class, in class 9, law of conservation of mass, which says that the number of atoms in the reactants and the number of atoms in the products always remains same. Then the equation is said to be a balanced chemical equation. So we first check whether the number of atoms in the reactants of each element and the number of elements in the products are same or not. If it is not same on both the side, then it is called skeletal chemical equation. Now let's learn about how to balance a chemical equation. How to balance a chemical equation. The method of balancing a chemical equation is called hit and trial method. I repeat, the method of balancing a chemical equation is called hit and trial method. Now we draw a table for doing this. I mean to say, for balancing the chemical equation. Here in this table, first element symbol. Now next, number of atoms in reactants and number of atoms in products. Here the symbolic notation is magnesium and oxygen and the number of atoms in reactants. Here it is 1 and here it is 1. 1 multiply 1, that means number of atoms of magnesium in reactant is 1. Same for oxygen, 2 multiply 1, that is number of atoms of oxygen in reactant is 2. But in this compound form magnesium oxide, Mg 1 multiply 1, that is number of atoms of magnesium in product is 1, and here 1 multiply 1, that is number of oxygen is 1. Now we have to count and compare the number of each element on the right hand side and left hand side. Here you look, this is not same. Magnesium is the same but oxygen is different. So it's a rule for hit and trial method. First we make a box, draw box around each of the formula like this. We draw box around each of the formula and do not change anything inside the boxes while balancing. Do not change anything inside the boxes, means number of atoms. Here magnesium is balanced but oxygen is not balanced. Here it is 2 and here it is 1. 1 multiply 2 is equal to 2. Now this 2 is in the right hand side of product and oxygen. So right hand side of oxygen is here, and we put this 2 that I am circle here in this place. Now again count the number. Magnesium is 2 and oxygen is now changed to 2, because 1 multiplied 2, it is 2. So second step to balance the magnesium. Magnesium 1 multiplied 2 is equal to 2. Here it is the 2. It is the left hand side of reactants and magnesium. Horizontal and vertical check for the placement of this 2. So this is magnesium of the reactant, and here it is magnesium of the reactant. This 2 is now put in this side. Now this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, and this is also 2. That means number of atoms in the of the element of reactant and number of atoms of the element of product are same. So we can write balanced chemical equation as 2Mg plus O2 will give 2MgO. It is a balanced chemical equation. Some more example to understand hit and trial method with new chemical reaction and equation. Thank you.